Good morning, students. Welcome to video lecture on microwave and optical fiber communication. Subject code U18EC709. Topic H-plane T junction. Microwave T junctions. A H-plane T junction is an intersection of waveguides in the form of English alphabet T. The microwave T junctions are H-plane T junction, E-plane T junction, and EH-plane T junction. It is also called magic T. It is H-plane T, E-plane T, and EH-plane T. H-plane T junction. A H-plane T junction is formed by attaching a simple waveguide to a rectangular waveguide which has already two ports. The arms of the rectangular waveguide makes two ports are called collinear ports. That is, here it is port 1, port 2, and port 3. Ports 1 and 2 are called collinear ports, and port 3 is called HMR. It is also called shunt T. It is port. Plane of symmetry. It is a 3-port device. It is port 3, or it is called HM. A is the broader dimension of length of the rectangular waveguide. B is breadth of the waveguide, and always for a rectangular waveguide A greater than B. When some microwave power is applied at port 3, it is divided equally between the ports 2 and 1. The power is divided equally between the ports 2 and 1 in phase. In phase means S13 is equal to S23. That is scattering. S13 stands for scattering coefficient resulting due to input at port 3, output at port 1. That is, when microwave power is applied at port 3, it is divided equally between the ports 1 and 2. As the axis of the side arm is parallel to the magnetic field, the junction is called H-plane T junction. This is also called a current junction, as the magnetic field divides itself into arms. Derivation of S matrix of H-plane T. It is a 3-port device. So the S matrix is of the order of 3 by 3, S112, S33, and from the plane of symmetry, S13 is equal to S23, and from symmetric matrix property, Sij is equal to Sai. You can observe the symmetric matrix property. And one more assumption we are going to take is port 3 is perfectly matched with the junction, means if the impedance is perfectly matched between the micro junction and source, then there is no reflected power. So this can be indicated by S33 equal to 0. Now, how we got equation number 2? Let us discuss. It's 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. That is here S21 from symmetric matrix property S12. It is as it is. S23 from the plane of symmetry. It is S13 from symmetric matrix property. S32 equal to S23 is equal to S13 from symmetric matrix and plane of symmetry, and S33 is equal to 0. That is, port 3 is perfectly matched with the junction. Based on this, we write equation number 2. The next property we are going to apply is unitary matrix property. S into S conjugate is equal to I. S into S conjugate equal to I. This is the S matrix we got from equation number 2. From the plane of symmetry, scattering matrix parameters. And now further we proceed the derivation by expanding this equation into R1C1, R2C2, and R3C3, R3C3, and R3C1. We get 4 different equations by expanding along R1, C1, equation number 3, R2, C2, equation 4, R3, C3, equation 5, R3, C1, equation number 6. Now here from equation number 5, we can determine the value of S13 is equal to 1 by root 2. And from this, this particular term is not equal to 0. So S11 is equal to minus of S12. Um, by comparing these two, we get equation 11 S11 as S22. And by substituting all these uh, subsequent equations in equation number 3, means here you substitute this equation, and this equation into equation number 3, and further after simplification we get the S matrix parameters uh, as shown. That is S matrix 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 0. And in the form of instant and reflected powers, this can be written as D equal to S into A, which explain the scattering matrix property of H plane T. Thank you. We will meet with the next lecture.